Looking for the right treadmill for your home without wasting money or space? Today, we're ranking popular home treadmills from weakest to best, so you can quickly find the one that actually fits your lifestyle. This one lands at the bottom of our ranking, and that's mainly because it's built for a very specific purpose. The Superun walking pad is designed more for staying lightly active during work hours than for real workouts, which puts it at a disadvantage compared to full-size home treadmills. On the positive side, it's compact, quiet, and incredibly easy to slide under a desk or couch. If your goal is to walk while answering emails or taking meetings, it does exactly what it promises. The remote control and simple display keep things easy, and the motor is quiet enough that it won't distract you or anyone nearby. That said, the limitations are hard to ignore. The top speed is low, there's no incline at all, and the running surface is short. Compared to the other treadmills in this list, it simply can't support jogging or running, and taller users may feel cramped very quickly. This treadmill makes sense for office workers who want light daily movement and nothing more. If you're looking for something that can grow with your fitness goals, though, you'll want to keep watching. Links to all the treadmills in this review at the best prices can be found in the description under the video. Next up is the ApexNexus, which feels like a step up from a walking pad, but still leans heavily toward lighter workouts. It's clearly built for people who want something small and manageable at home without committing to a large treadmill. Compared to the Superun, you're getting more power, a higher top speed, and the option for incline. That alone makes it better suited for brisk walking and light jogging. The foldable design and strong weight capacity also make it appealing for shared households or smaller spaces. However, when you compare it to the higher-ranked models, the limitations show up quickly. The belt is short and narrow, the incline is manual, and the speed caps out before it feels comfortable for steady running. It's versatile, but not truly performance-focused. This treadmill is best for casual users who want more than a walking pad, but don't plan on running regularly. And if you're finding this comparison helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest home fitness reviews. Sitting comfortably in the middle of the ranking, the UMAY treadmill strikes a balance between space-saving design and workout flexibility. It's clearly aimed at home users who want to walk, jog, and occasionally push the pace without investing in a bulky machine. Compared to the ApexNexus, you get a longer running belt, a higher top speed, and built-in workout programs. The folding system is smooth and easy to use, making it friendly for apartments or shared spaces. For everyday cardio, it feels capable and well-rounded. The trade-off is that it still relies on manual incline and has a narrower belt than premium models. Bluetooth features are limited, and taller runners may wish for more space when picking up speed. It's solid, but not elite. This treadmill is ideal for beginners and intermediate users who want consistency without complexity. If you're starting to run more seriously, though, the next options raise the bar even higher. Now we're entering serious home fitness territory. The TOPUTURE treadmill earns its spot near the top, thanks to its speed range and surprising versatility. It can function as a compact walking pad or a full upright treadmill, depending on how you use it. Compared to the UMAY, you get a faster top speed and steeper incline, which opens the door to real running workouts. The belt cushioning feels more supportive, and features like heart rate monitoring and app support add extra value for motivated users. The downside is that incline adjustments are still manual, and the belt length may feel limiting for taller runners with long strides. It's powerful, but it does require some hands-on adjustment during workouts. This treadmill is perfect for home users who want to run, save space, and keep things flexible. But if you want the most complete running experience on this list, there's still one more treadmill to talk about. Taking the top spot is the NordicTrack, and it's not hard to see why. This treadmill feels like a true gym-style machine designed for consistent, long-term training at home. Compared to every other model here, it offers the largest running surface, powered incline adjustments, and smoother performance at higher speeds. The automatic incline and guided workouts make training feel hands-free and immersive, especially if you enjoy structured routines. The main drawback is space. It doesn't fold, and it takes up more room than the others. Some features also work best with a subscription, which may not appeal to everyone. That said, if your goal is running, improving endurance, and sticking to a serious fitness routine at home, this treadmill stands above the rest. If you want to check out the top treadmills from this list, make sure to use the links in the description under the video to find the best current prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more clear, honest fitness gear reviews.